have 25 artists from 16 different nationalities. They are many disciplines. Finding the artists, the one we love, and to be part of Andorra and present is always difficult because we want a specific one.
Every day the artists they have a specific schedule. Usually in the afternoon they do training because they need to stay on top of their game, in shape. 2 hours prior to the show, they start preparing themselves. It's a routine. It's basically the same every night for every show. And they start with the makeup because it's what takes the most of time. So usually it's around like 1 hour, 1 hour and a half. When they're done, they would start warming up. And after that, they would put on the costumes. And after, it's time for stage.
We base the show a lot on interaction with the public and bring back the public into this atmosphere of party and with artists performing on stage.
It's very emotional for the team. They've been working on the show for the past 3 years, basically, because we were supposed to premiere on during 2020, but the pandemic hit. All the team here, everyone has worked very, very hard to make sure we put on a beautiful show for the public and the audience tonight.